Remember, none of your desires can bring relief to your soul, but it is only Allah, your Rabb, who can. Well, my dear friends, don't worry. You call your Creator by any name. The Creator is one who has created all of us. And it doesn't make any difference to Him by whatever name we call, because name is just a reference. We all know that our Creator loves us unconditionally, don't we? So, if we want peace and happiness in our lives, we should also love our Creator the same way. And how do we love Him? Do we go to any of our holy places and shout and yell, I love you, my Creator? That's not the way. Think about it. How can we express our love to our Creator? Think and do comment in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Yes, my dear friends, it's very true. It is indeed true. If you show love to your fellow human beings, you are showing love to your God. So love them unconditionally and with kindness and see the results for yourself. Now, my dear friends, how do we achieve this state of mind? Or, rightly saying, this state of heart? Yes. Well, we should kill these desires, never ending desires, and start loving all, serving all with kindness, praying for everyone the same prayer as you would pray for yourself. Do that and see the difference. Well, these desires are never ending. One desire we achieve, there are 10 more waiting to be fulfilled. So it just goes on and on. So let's get out of this entangled trap of desires and live a life of liberation. Free up your mind. Live in the present moment. Don't fear about the future or don't regret about the past. Just live in the moment and live life happily and peacefully by sharing happiness and joy. This reminds me of a quote of Rumi Rahmatullah Alai. Rumi Rahmatullah Alai says, everyone is overridden by thoughts, thoughts and thoughts. That's why they have so much heartache and sorrow. Yes. So, how do you control or manage your thoughts? Find a spiritual guru and you will find how to do so. Well, Sufis know the secrets of love. Yes, how to love yourself, how to love God, and how you can love all. Well, longing takes us back to God, takes the lover back into the arms of the beloved. This is the ancient path of the mystic, of those who are destined to make the journey to the further shores of love. Why we are called to this quest is always a mystery, for the ways of the heart cannot be understood by the mind. But let me add here, whose heart has become pure and innocent like a child will always tread the path of Sufism. Moving on, love always draws us back to love, and longing is the fire that purifies us. Sufis know the secrets of love, of the way love takes and transforms us. They are the people of love who have kept alive the mysteries of divine loving, of what is hidden within the depths of the human being. एक बार आकर तो देखो, मज़ा चख कर तो देखो. Going further, Sufism is that knowledge and practice of detaching oneself from the attractions of these worldly things in order to gain the love of Allah. It is that knowledge and practice of striving to purge away all forms of temptations and sins from one's self in order to earn the love of Allah. It's one's knowledge and practice of purification of the soul, aiming drawing closer to Allah. It is a practice that is acquired from a perfect spiritual guide by keeping his company for one's entire life. And of course, practicing subtle behaviors and forgiving fellow men in order to gain divine forgiveness and mercy. Yes, following all these practices in their daily life. And all these practices are practiced in every second of their lives. Yes, it is day in and day out. It is a part of their life, it is their routine. Let's understand what is purification. It is a spiritual process of cleansing the heart and mind from impurities and worldly attachments to attain closeness to the divine. This is the first step of the dance. The Sufi dancers, the dervishes. Next is invocation, the act of calling upon or supplicating to the divine through prayers, chants, or sacred verses to invoke spiritual blessings and guidance, the second step of the dance. Twirl, a sacred ritualistic dance performed by Sufi practitioners, symbolizing the soul's journey towards spiritual enlightenment and union with the divine, the third step of the dance. And Dervish is a devout practitioners of Sufism who lead ascetic lives, embodying the principles of selflessness, devotion, and mystic knowledge. Yes, they are in this world, but that world and worldly desire is not in their heart. They are among us. They live and lead a life just as simple and humble like we all. But there are no desires in their heart. And they lead a life wherein they believe the whole world is a family and they are just a part of it. Al Ghazali says, Rahmatullah Alai, your heart is a polished mirror. You must wipe it clean of the veil of dust that has gathered upon it because it is destined to reflect the light of divine secrets. Only then you can download all that. Well, the substance of Sufism is the truth, and the meaning of Sufism is the selfless experiencing and actualization of the truth. The practice of Sufism is the intention to go towards the truth by means of love and devotion. This is called the tariqat, the spiritual path or way towards God. The Sufi is one who is a lover of truth, who by means of love and devotion moves towards the truth, towards the perfection which all are truly seeking. As necessitated by love's jealousy, the Sufi is taken away from all except the truth. So, be a Sufi, become a Sufi, and see how magical the life would be, filled with love and gratitude and kindness. And all the holy saints followed this path and they live in each and everyone's heart till date, and they will go on to live forever. Let's be one among them. Well, Rumi Rahmatullah Alai says, one night I asked love, tell me truly, who are you? Love said, I'm life eternal. I multiply the lovely life. Yes, that's why they are eternal, they are immortal. Do that. It's very simple. Where is this we and this I? By the side of the beloved. You made this we and this I in order that you might play this game of courtship with yourself, that all yous and I's might become one soul and finally drown in the beloved. Yes, it's not I and you, it is we. Yes, it is not duality, it is union, it is one and unique. We're all the fragments of the same whole called divinity. In fact, God has planted in your heart the desire to search Him. Don't look at your weaknesses, but focus on the search. Seek the truth, and you shall find it.